Hey, to enable the battery saver on the Redmi Pad SE, first you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go to the battery. Right here you find this option, the battery saver, so to turn it on you have to click on the switcher and click OK. And right now we can find some basic information about our battery usage. And when you click on this icon in the right upper corner, you can also manage the battery saver. So for example, we can don't wake the screen for the notifications. We can turn off the battery saver when the battery level is around 50%, of course when we are charging our device. And we can also schedule time to switch between the modes. So when you do this, you can set the start and the end time for your battery saver. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all for this video. Bye bye.